Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be opening my box. Comes in this mailer. This is, I'm guessing, my Midnight Muse box because my Sugar Muse box is really usually pretty big. For July, let me peek open and make sure it is in fact the Midnight Muse box, just as I suspected. So let's check it out. Midnight Muses, Spirit of the Waters. Cauldron Spirit. That's pretty cool. Midnight Muses July 2019, Spirit of the Waters. I look at this last, always. Let's put this aside. I love these. They're so beautiful. I love the quality of the paper. Black is my favorite color. Just, I love it. Ooh, and we've got a different deck. Wow, I was kind of getting tired of the vampire deck, to be honest. 9 of Wands. 9 of Wands. I can see that. It's not my favorite, but I can see that. Oh, I can already tell I love it. Beautiful. Wow, look at these pretty little stones. I love them already. I can't get them out, but I love them. I don't know what I'm looking at. This is Q. This is what, Sodalite? I'm not even sure about that, but we'll find out shortly, won't we? Spirit of the Waters. I love beeswax candles. Let's see here. Ooh, we got a perfume. Let's check her out. Ooh, I hope it smells delicious. Midnight Lavender. I love lavender. That's it. It's just lavender. It smells great. I love lavender. Alright. Let's see here. This is her thing with this box. They're so cute. I love the little collection. And maybe I will find something on, like, at a craft store or something that will fit just this perfect, tiny, adorable little size bottles. They're super cute. Absolutely love them. I'm gonna shatter them though because I'm a klutz and I can't get them out. Ah! No, don't you do it. I can feel my husband cringing in the background because I'm awkward. You know what? Okay, mint, lavender, rosemary. They're so cute. I love them to pieces. I don't care what anybody says. I absolutely love them. They're such a sweet, magical, whimsical touch. I love them. Tea, hibiscus cess tea. Yum yum. I'm not really going to drink the tea, but I always fantasize that I'm going to turn into a tea drinker. Because it seems like super hip. Oh, I love that. Let's just pull this out. I wasn't going to pull it out right away, but I just love these sweet little whimsical touches. Look at that. It's like a sweet little bird's nest in this really nice, heavy little cauldron. So cute. It's got these delicious smelling incense and like a silver disc thing, maybe to protect the bottom of this from. So that's really precious. I love that. Oh, and I guess this is the thing she's been doing. Pardon me. Gosh, something about the dust in this little box gets me. Oh, I wonder if I just did that when I sneezed and I grabbed this. Oh, I'm sorry. It smells great. I'm so bummed. Oh, the klutz. Dang. I squished the edge, but it's still good. Let's check it out. Over the next few months, Midnight Muses will focus on a series of path working shadow work that can help teach elemental work along with techniques such as astral travel, dream work, and divination. This month we focus on the element of water as a catalyst for transformation and healing. When we work with water, the shadow begins to stir itself. I absolutely love this idea, Christy. Amazing. I can't wait to see how it unfolds. Pathworking, shadow work are specific kind of guided meditation that are designed to help the participants fulfill a goal. The concept of the shadow is one which grew in popularity with the work of Carl Jung in the last century. Jung believed that to behold the shadow side we all carry, suppressed thoughts, complexes, and emotion, must be made explicit. The ultimate effect of this is, according to Jung, to assimilate lessons from the unconscious into consciousness. It thus plays a vital role in the process of individualization, i.e. Jung's term for the process of healing our spirit, and the integration of all parts of the psyche. One does not become enlightened by imagining figures of light, but by making the darkness conscious. So you may wish to start with a cleaning ritual bath using the Sea Mist organic soap. It has jasmine, rose, hyacinth, olive oil, coconut oil, soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, and water. Light the lavender incense in your cauldron. Remove the decorative moss first to connect to your senses. Close your eyes and imagine yourself sitting under a silver waterfall and allow all negative energies to wash away. So I'm not going to walk through the ritual, but I'm going to talk to you about what's in it. So anoint yourself with the midnight lavender oil. Carry your oils, essential oils of lavender, rosemary, and fennel. Subtle. Then remove the scroll and light the candle. This. Let's see. The blue onyx. Wow, I don't have blue onyx. For intuition, strength, and to overcome challenges. I love it though. Amazing. The opalite. Oh, how could I not recognize you, opalite? You're one of my favorites, but I usually have you in beautiful whimsical shapes like moons and eggs and stuff. To assist during transitions and strength to verbalize hidden feelings. Okay. So then this is like more of the ritual. Let's go to the second page. So she talks about the lavender blossom tea, hibiscus zest organic tea, decaf. So the front and the back don't say the same thing, but I'm thinking because I can see lavender that it is lavender. Book of Shadows art print, intuitively drawn tarot card from the Mystic Dreamer Tarot. Gifted gemstone. You could either get blue sodalite, blue calcite, or blue quartz to connect with your... This is definitely a sodalite. So beautiful. Love it. I absolutely love it. I love the idea of the series. This is from the same people who make the Sugar Muse box, which I get the Deluxe Muse box every month. But it's kind of like a shadow work side, and I really, really dig that because some things have been reoccurring for me and nagging me, and I would love to do some deeper digging to kind of like get through this funk. Anyways, tell me your thoughts, guys. What do you think? What are you working on? What is this? What do you think of this box? As always, like, comment. If you haven't already, subscribe. I'd love to hear from you guys. I can't wait to hear your feedback about this box. I will leave the link in the description below. It's a very affordable box with lots of really cool items. And Midnight Muses July 2019. Check it out.